Red or yellow?
Good day and welcome to another video. You know, once it's Sunday, we start in the market. So alright, so we get into market. But this is a very important Sunday because it's also the World Cup final. And we'll be headed up by my parents, who I grew up in St. Anne's, to watch it. So as soon as we finish market, head home and then get ready and head up town. Okay? Let's go on our way up St. Anne's. We stop in Starbucks. You can see everybody have on their t-shirts now. Loading the football final. You know, we just decided we'll go up and watch it with my father. The crits got that all pass and say, turn into a whole big line. So that's what we're heading up to now. In Trinidad, we can't do nothing small. This turned into one massive football line. Actually in the Queen's Park, Savannah. I wanted to get some drone shots. I have no idea what I mean by drone shots. I just go and get some shots. Funny enough, I come up here so regular and we hardly just come actually in the Savannah. Alright, so yeah, let me take advantage of it today. So apparently this is what you do around the Savannah. You hang off trees. So you can see they're all in their t-shirts. So what team are you supporting for the final?
Spain.
Spain. No Argentinian fans?
No.
All the way in blue?
Real Madrid. This is a Spanish club.
Spanish club, Real. Spain. Alright, here we are, off St. Anne's. There you are then. Everything alright? Yeah. So yeah. Right, so here we are with Papa. And we're gonna watch the match. Who you supporting? Who you supporting? Who win, right?
But I like Spain.
You like Spain?
Spain all the way. Spain.
Is it possible, Sydney, to replicate that? With the three-man show, stand by for Robbie Williams. Big glittering aspirants to his sporting greatness.
So Jeffy, who you supporting? Alright, the match starts. You can hear how noisy it is already. Nothing happened yet. Look, Shivan holding the head already. So who supported who? Argentina? Who supported Spain?
Julian Alvarez.
Alright, so here we are. It's hydration break. Or I think they just start back. And they're playing 0-0 still. So it's half time. And Spain, you know, it's been one or two chances. Spain seems to have a handle on the game, but it's still 0-0. Let's hope some scoring happens so it gets a bit exciting. But check the view as always of the hills and the valley. Always nice. Go! Hit them one time, do it! Go again!
Red yard!
Run it! Enzo get a red card!
Yes! Get home!
Trying to get there.
Yeah! Yeah, that yellow card already!
A cynical challenge, but the way Kumasi goes. He's half of the goal.
Already grandkids over there. Yes.
Full time. A bit dramatic with that free kick in the end there. And one of the Argentina players getting a red card. So Argentina had to play the rest of the game with 10. So yeah, some excitement. Half an hour game to go. That offside.
Messi to the
Lie down on the ground. Still lie down on the ground.
Argentina! Argentina!
That's it. Trini, you have to admit, Spain play a better game. You know what I mean? So what do you think of the results? Spania, boy. Oh shucks. Why the cameraman and them so cruel, boy? Alright, and that's it. 1-0 to Spain. As you can see from all the celebration, we are quite happy with that result. But yeah, it was a good vibes. As you can see, it was more about family and enjoyment. I know my father definitely enjoyed having his grandkids around him watching the World Cup final. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember as always to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.